The Northwest Palace of Asurna-Serpal II at Nimrud. The palace was built in the 9th century BC. During the height of Neo-Assyrian power, its walls were lined with carved stone panels depicting the king's military victories, his religious devotion, and the supernatural beings who protected his realm. The Apkallu appear throughout the palace in multiple forms. Some are depicted as human figures wearing elaborate fish-shaped cloaks. The fish-cloaked Apkallu, associated with the aquatic origins of the sages who emerged from the sea. Some are depicted as eagle-headed humanoids with wings. The bird Apkallu, associated with the celestial realm. In nearly every depiction, regardless of form, the Apkallu hold the same two objects. The pine cone-like implement in the right hand is called the Malelu in Akkadian. Mainstream scholarship interprets it as a tool for sprinkling sacred liquid, purifier used in ritual ceremonies to protect spaces and individuals from demonic influence. The rectangular object in the left hand is called the bandud, literally a bucket or container. The mainstream interpretation is that it held the liquid that the Malelu was used to sprinkle. This interpretation is tidy. It explains the functional relationship between the two objects. It fits within the framework of Mesopotamian ritual practice, but it does not explain why the same object appears in cultures that had no contact with Mesopotamia. The Olmec civilization flourished in the lowlands of south-central Mexico between approximately 1500 and 400 BC. They are considered the mother culture of Mesoamerica. They also carved figures holding handbags at La Venta. Stone reliefs depict humanoid figures, some clearly supernatural, holding rectangular objects with curved handles. The objects are not identical to the Mesopotamian bandud, but they are remarkably similar. Same basic shape, same handle, same positioning, same sacred context. The mainstream explanation is coincidence, but that explanation becomes harder to sustain when you look at Göbekli Tepe. Göbekli Tepe is a pre-pottery Neolithic site in southeastern Turkey, constructed around 9600 BC, over 11,000 years ago. Among its carvings is a geometric shape, rectangular, with a curved top, strikingly similar to the handbag motif. It predates every known civilization capable of long-distance contact, yet the shape is there, carved in stone, documented, and undeniably similar. The pattern extends further to Hittite reliefs, Egyptian iconography, and even Polynesian carvings. The issue is not whether containers exist. The issue is why supernatural beings, across time and space, are shown holding the same object in the same way. This is where the debate deepens. Is it coincidence, or is it memory?